Welcome to channel memberships. If you remember, that is. If you're still thinking about it, let me try and convince you. So, you know me as Sucharita. I have been doing film reviews on YouTube for 10 years at this point. When I first began, the entire scene was different. People were still engaging with criticism in a more involved manner. And to be honest, I myself did not know if this was something I wanted to do long term or if I even took it very seriously. Yeah, we're going back in the past, so bear with me. Gradually, as the nation and its cinema changed, I began to realize how important it was for more women and other underrepresented people to come forward and talk about art. Films are, and since the invention of films, have been the quickest, most effective way to disseminate ideas. Political leaders and corporations know the power of the medium and they've used it for subliminal, covert messaging. ये कुछ भी इसमें से कोई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं आपको नहीं दे रही हूँ. तो ऐसे में सिनेमा की जो शक्ति है, पावर है, उससे बारंबार सवाल पूछना है जरूरी, जिसके लिए स्वतंत्र मीडिया चाहिए ही चाहिए, जो अगर आप जरा भी ध्यान दे रहे हैं, ढूंढ पाना अभी तो थोड़ा नामुमकिन सा है. 2020 में 2020 सारी नौकरियां वगैरह छोड़कर मैंने ये चैनल खोला था अपने ही नाम से, क्योंकि और कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था लॉकडाउन में. आई लव वॉचिंग फिल्म्स और कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी कहीं थी ही नहीं टू टॉक अबाउट एज मेनी फिल्म्स एज आई वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट इंडिपेंडेंटली, कीपिंग माई फेमिनिस्ट पर्सपेक्टिव इंटैक्ट. तो शुरू कर दिया था एक दिन. माई हार्ट वॉज बीटिंग इन माई थ्रोट. तब से लेकर अब तक धीरे धीरे वेरी स्लोली ये चैनल ग्रो हुआ है. एक्सपोनेंशियल स्पीड पर तो नहीं बढ़ा, पर जितने तकरीबन 154,000 लोग हैं यहाँ, सिनेमा के हितैषी हैं. I expanded my team and currently have one channel producer, two video editors, and the occasional research associate working with me to run this very tiny enterprise. Reviews, interviews, सब कुछ जो भी आप यहाँ पर देखते हैं. Over the last 2 years or so, I have expanded coverage on this channel to take you to इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स ऑल्सो. 3 बार तो हम कैन होकर आ चुके हैं. इस बार टोरंटो से, टिफ से इतनी कवरेज लाई थी आपके लिए. सनडांस, बर्लिन, LA, न्यूयॉर्क, साथ में इंटरनेशनल फिल्म मेकर्स के साथ बातें भी मैंने आपको सुनाई. क्रिस्टोफर नोलन, एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग यू many more. But also now, this year has been the most disillusioned I have been about this career choice. On many an occasion, there has been targeted harassment of film critics, especially this year, across publications and platforms. Not just me. YouTube की ही खास तौर पर अगर हम बात करें तो views have dropped dramatically. Meaningful engagement and discussions around film have gone down. या तो algorithm आपको ये channel दिखा नहीं रही है, पता नहीं. My team will attest to this. 2 or 3 times this year I've come this close to shutting the channel down. गए महीने मैं दिल्ली में थी. I was visiting family and friends, dejected and very sad. I was just taking some time off. I was finding courage in my heart. सच बता रही हूँ, सच्ची में. I was about to tell my colleagues in my family that I'm going to shut this channel down. नहीं हो रहा है अब कुछ नौकरी वगैरह ढूंढेंगे. But something magical happened this week. Every single place I went to in Delhi, bar, restaurant, markets, I met people who recognized me and came up to say hi. Now, this kind of thing does happen occasionally, and I'm always thankful for the attention and the praise. मैं रुक कर बात करती हूँ जितना हो सकता है, but this time it seemed to be happening in overdrive, like कहीं से लोग भेजे जा रहे हैं. I couldn't walk 5 minutes out in the street without someone coming up to say hi. I was at this little event called the Little Flea, and my family had to actively chaperone me from one stall to the next because there were just that many loving Delhiites stopping us to say a hello and graciously tell me their thoughts on the work that I have been doing, taking photos. Honestly, it felt like I was in a stage play and there was a director sending them, now you go. These few days in Delhi, I think, pulled me back from the brink of ending this journey. I returned home, where I am right now, my space, my studio, alone, and I thought about this long and hard. For 10 years, I have made videos for a general public, trying to provide this free service to society at large, people who like to go watch movies and then want to spend some time perhaps thinking about what they saw a little bit deeper, and they won't mind a friendly voice explaining it to them. But also over these 10 years, I have realized I've collected a sizable group of people who have followed me platform to platform and they consider me somewhat of a friend, I guess. For those people, I am thankful. And it is to you I speak today. With a renewed focus in the new year, I plan to work even harder to bring to you more videos about cinema. And now some of these videos will only be accessible via channel memberships. If you click on the join button under this video, you will notice there are 2 tiers on offer for now. So let me take you through them. The first one is Sucharita's Crew. This is for those of you who have liked, enjoyed, taken something from my work over the years and would like to continue liking, enjoying, and now also actively want to support. I have created these cute little badges that you get depending on how long you spend as a channel member. Your name shows up on the screen as a channel supporter in the end credits, and in the comment section, I reply to you first. You will also get exclusive photos and updates from all my cinema adventures. One Battle After Another की special screening with Paul Thomas Anderson and Leonardo DiCaprio, Avatar का New York City premiere, Cannes Film Festival में theatre का tour, a detailed look at my studio setup here, etc., etc. Next is the Serious Cinephiles tier, which is where, as the name suggests, things get serious. सारे benefits from the previous tier, उनके साथ-साथ, your name appears on top always when end credits roll in each video in bigger, bolder letters. BTS photos वगैरह. पर also, जब भी मैं किसी filmmaker या actor के साथ interview कोई भी करूँगी, I will ask one question each time that will only be visible to members of this tier. काफी exclusive. And the best part of this tier is the Serious Cinephiles Movie Club. Once a month, I will post a link to a secret online movie club where you and I and other members only of this tier will discuss all the films we watched in the entire month. This discussion will remain mostly offline, तो खुलकर यहाँ पर सारे विचार express करेंगे हम सब मिलकर. कोई recording नहीं होगी, कुछ भी नहीं. For 3 years or so, I have been building up the courage to launch channel memberships because जाहिर सी बात है, now I feel more responsible toward you, the channel member. But I feel like after the year I have had, the time is now right to connect with you on a more meaningful, deeper level to keep this channel alive and going strong. Consider channel memberships for me. बस इतना ही आज के लिए. I just want to say thank you for being here with me this far. 1 million तक तो channel का पहुंचना मुश्किल है. तो एक YouTube plaque से खुश हूँ मैं for now. As always, my name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.